Hopefully everyone's doing well. My name is EQ, aka the Certified Gem Hunter, and welcome to Stonkaholics. So as you guys may know if you've been on this channel before, a lot of the times or most of the times we're talking about new gems and products that are coming out. Now it's important to keep in mind that we're in the 1% of the world that's into crypto. So with that in mind, I want to dumb it down and bring it back to the basics and be able to incorporate things for new traders or green people in crypto, aka people that don't know anything about crypto or are starting fresh, so you can build a great foundation to start on and become a profitable and successful trader. But before we get into that, if you could throw a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, check out our crypto accelerator program, that'd be greatly appreciated. And let's get this intro rolling. So we're going to start with one of the most important basics, which is market cap. We're going to be talking and using about coinmarketcap.com the most and use this as the example because this is the most common one and the most used in the industry. CoinMarketCap is also my favorite, and if you watch any of my videos, I always reference CoinMarketCap. But before we get into using that, let's go over what a market cap actually is and why we focus on market cap over dollar value. So market cap is the total dollar value of all the shares of a company's stock, or in this case, a Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency, of all the coins that have been mined. In crypto, the market cap is going to be calculated by multiplying the number of total coins that have been mined by the price of a single coin at any given time. An easy way to think about this is stability of the project. The higher the market cap, the more stable the project. The lower the market cap, the more volatile and the more risky the investment is. That's why investing in altcoins and low cap alt gems is going to be riskier than investing in a DOT or a Bitcoin or an Ethereum. So market cap is important because it's just one way to measure cryptocurrency's value. Us being investors, we use market cap to tell the complete story and compare value across cryptocurrencies. It's a key statistic that can indicate the growth potential of a crypto and whether it is safe to buy compared to other ones. And there's a lot of new traders that make the mistake of following dollar value and assuming that the cheaper the token is, the better the value. Not realizing that some of these low value coins have a really high market cap already, so the growth is limited. Let's go over an example real quick so we can understand market cap a little bit better. So if cryptocurrency A has 400,000 coins in circulation and each is worth $1, its market cap is going to be $400,000. Now, if cryptocurrency B has 100,000 coins in circulation and each coin is worth $2, the market cap is going to be $200,000. Now, even though the individual coin price of cryptocurrency B is higher than cryptocurrency A's overall value is double cryptocurrency B's. Now, an easy thing to do with market cap is to be able to classify projects based on their market cap levels and their estimated potential growth. So first we'll start off with large caps that have more than a $10 billion market cap. You're going down to mid caps that have between a $1 billion and $10 billion market cap. And then you have small caps that are going to be anything under $1 billion. With that in mind, let's jump into coinmarketcap.com and take a look so we can understand how they're doing the rankings. So you can see on the top 1 to 10 list, everything is going to be ranked by market cap. You can see that Bitcoin has a $1.2 trillion market cap now, a monster. And Ethereum following behind at 540 billion, a little bit more than half of where Bitcoin is currently at. Now what we can do with market cap, for example, is say if Ethereum got to the market cap of Bitcoin was, which is around double the market cap, then we could approximately see price be around double what it currently is, which would be around $9,000. So this is how we make these guesstimations, and this is how we're able to make these calls and predictions, because we're using the market cap, engaging the market cap against other projects. Now, for example, if you wanted to look at a project like AVAX, that's a large ecosystem that's looking to compete with projects like Cardano and Solana, we can put it in this 5 to 6 range, seeing that it's around a $70 billion market cap. And we're seeing that AVAX is currently at a 20.6 billion. So this is around a 3 to 3.5 times move in order for AVAX to get to the market cap of these two. But the reason why we can say that that's feasible is because it's a main competitor of these. And because Solana and Cardano were able to reach that price. And while we're talking about Solana and Cardano, we can talk about the dollar value and why it is almost misleading to see the price of certain coins under another. So for example, when you're looking at Solana and Cardano, a lot of new traders will see the value at $2 versus $233 and assume that this is going to be a better buying opportunity because the price is cheaper, but they're not taking in consideration the actual market cap. So it would be an insane move for Cardano to get to the same price as Solana just because of the circulation and the type of token it is. And considering it's already at a $67 billion market cap, and this is only $5 billion more. So don't fall for that trap as a new trader. They do that a lot with Shiba Inu, for example. Shiba Inu, people want to play this to $1, but for this to do $1, you're going to have to do a 10, 100,000, 10,000, basically 100,000x move, which is almost impossible considering you're at a $29 billion market cap already. If you want that to happen, you're going to have to wait years on years on years if that does ever happen. But that's where it gets misleading for people, because they'll see the value on it and see that they can accumulate a lot and think that if it hits $1, they're going to be a billionaire. But the fact of the matter is that because of the circulation, the supply, it's going to be very difficult for that project to get there. So to wrap that all around, when you're looking at Solana or Cardano, they're basically ranked the same and they're valued the same. So instead of looking at this amount, you want to focus on this amount right here. That's going to about wrap up this video on market caps. If you didn't get a chance to before, make sure to throw a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, check out our Crypto Accelerator program. Hopefully you have a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're watching this in the world. And we'll catch you on the next one.